Every morning I usually wake up and make myself some delicious coffee, but in this recipe we're going to be making a very easy and simple kahawa chungu recipe, which is going to be amazing and very flavorful. For the recipe, you'll need 2 teaspoons of ground coffee and a few spices like a 1/4 teaspoon cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. And also you need some sugar to sweeten your coffee a little bit, alongside 2 cups of water. So you're going to place a small pot over medium high flame and add in 2 cups of water. You can double up or even triple the recipe to make more kahawa chungu. Next, you're going to add in your coffee, spices. Use a sieve and stir in all the spices and coffee into the water. Then you're going to wait for around 1 minute so that the kahawa chungu can come to a boil. Once everything comes to a boil, you're going to reduce the flames to medium-low and let the kahawa chungu simmer for around 2 minutes. And at this point, you're going to add in sugar. After 2 minutes, my kahawa chungu is ready, so I'm going to put out the flames, pick my sieve, and I have a very nice cup for serving my kahawa chungu. Then I'm going to sieve in. You can also keep the remaining kahawa in a metallic kettle so that it can stay warm. As the kahawa is boiling, the kitchen is going to have a very nice aroma because of all the spices that we have added. That means that the kahawa is going to be very flavorful and delicious. So this is a very nice way that you can sip on some flavorful kahawa chungu, and every sip is going to be amazing.